Hello everyone and welcome back to I Am Root. In our last video, we learned how to install and set up Termux on Android. But what's next? Today, I'll teach you the most important basic Termux commands that every beginner must know. These commands will help you navigate Termux, manage files, and understand the basics of ethical hacking. If you want to become a hacker, learning these commands is your first step. Before we start, remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Never use hacking skills for illegal activities. Always practice ethical hacking responsibly and legally. Now, let's get started. Section 1. Why learn Termux commands? If you're new to Termux, you might be wondering, why do I need to learn these commands? Well, ethical hacking is not just about running tools. It's about understanding how computers and networks work. Termux is a Linux-based terminal, so learning these basic commands will help you navigate your system easily, manage files and folders, run hacking tools smoothly, understand Linux, which is the backbone of ethical hacking. So let's go step by step and master the basics. Section 2. Basic Termux commands for beginners. Now, open Termux on your phone and try these commands along with me. Checking your system information. To see details about your system, type uname-a. This will show your device's kernel and OS details. Who am I? To check your current user, type who am I. Since Termux runs as a normal user, it will show you O_A355 as your username. Listing files and folders. Want to see what's inside a folder? Use All-S. It will list all files and folders in your current directory. Navigating through directories. To move inside a folder, type .cd folder name. For example, if you have a folder named Documents, type cd Documents. To go back to the previous folder, type cd ... Creating a new folder. Want to create a new directory? Use mkdir myfolder. This will create a folder named myfolder. Deleting files and folders. To delete a file, type rm filename. To delete a folder and everything inside it, use rm-rf folder name. Be careful with this command. Once deleted, you cannot recover your files. Copying and moving files. To copy a file, cp filename another location. To move a file, mv filename new location. This helps in organizing your hacking tools and files. Checking network connectivity. Want to check if a website is online? Use pinggoogle.com. This will send data packets and check if Google is reachable. Clearing the screen. If your terminal is full of commands and outputs, just type clear. This will give you a fresh screen to work on. Section 3. Practicing ethical hacking basics. Now that you know these commands, let's talk about how to continue learning ethical hacking. Here's what you should do next. Learn Linux and command line. Since Termux is a Linux terminal, you need to be comfortable with Linux commands. Explore ethical hacking tools. Install tools like Nmap for scanning networks and Metasploit for penetration testing. Set up a hacking lab. Use Termux to create a virtual hacking environment where you can practice legally. Stay updated and keep learning. Follow cybersecurity blogs, read books, and keep practicing. Ethical hacking is a skill that requires patience and practice, so don't rush. Take it step by step. That's it for today's video. Now you know the basic Termux commands and the first steps to learning ethical hacking. If you practice these regularly, you'll be ready for advanced hacking techniques soon. What's next? In the next video, I'll show you how to install hacking tools in Termux and use them for penetration testing. So don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to I Am Root. Comment below with your questions or video requests. Until next time, keep learning, stay ethical, and happy hacking!